Hello dear students, very good morning all of you. We are learning your 9th standard mathematics chapter, name is polynomial. In the previous video, we have completed your practice set 3.3. I have given you the solution of all six examples of your practice set. Now, today we will start with your new point from the chapter polynomial, which is value of the polynomial. What is mean by value of the polynomial? Okay, see, in a polynomial, if a variable is replaced by a number, then we get value of polynomial. See, if there is given polynomial, there is always a variable in the polynomial. If we replace that variable by some particular value, then it is called as value of a polynomial. We will see one example. If we replace x by 2 in a polynomial x plus 7, what we will get? See, if we have to replace x by 2, then 2 plus 7 as it is, 2 plus 7 is 9. So 9 is the value of polynomial. Are you getting what I am talking, friends? I am talking value of the polynomial. In a polynomial, in that expression, you will always get a variable. Variable can be anything, x, y, z, a, b, c, anything, and so if we will replace that particular variable by any such value, which is by any particular value, so we will get the value of that polynomial, because you are already known, you know, variable is always variable. Okay, it's always changing, it's changing constantly. So there is no fixed value for the variable, but if we replace that variable by any fixed value, then we will get the value of that particular polynomial. We have seen the example. For the polynomial x plus 7, we have to replace this x by 2, then 2 plus 7 is 9. So value of polynomial x plus 7 is what? The value is 9. Okay. Now in the term of mathematics, if px is the polynomial, how we write the polynomial? We do write polynomial as p of x. Okay, px is the polynomial, and value, what? Value of x, we will count the value of x. We write this p for the polynomial. P of x is the polynomial of x. Okay, now value of x is equal to a. Suppose x is the polynomial and value of that polynomial is something a. So how we will write p of a? Okay, then if we will replace x by a, p of a, because a is the value of polynomial. Are you getting, friends, what I am talking? See, in a polynomial, if we replace the variable by any particular value, then it is called as value of a polynomial. Now here we have replaced x by 2, we will get the value of polynomial 9. In the mathematical term, how we will write? P is equal, if p of x is the any polynomial, then the value of x is equal to a. If the value of x, that is value of the polynomial, is a, then how we can write p of a? Okay, we can write it as p of a. We will see some examples so that to understand the value of polynomial or types of example we are going to solve on this theoretical part. I will write the example. See, polynomial p of x is equal to 2x raised to 3 minus 3x plus 5. Okay, this is what? This is the polynomial. Now what we have to do? Put x is equal to 2 in given polynomial. Put x is equal to 2 in given polynomial. What we have to do? We have to replace all the x by 2. So how it goes? See. So if we replace x by 2, so it will become p of 2 is equal to 2 into 2 raised to 3 minus 3 into 2 and plus 5. Okay, this is how it will convert when we put x is equal to 3 in this given polynomial. What we are doing? We are learning value of polynomial. We are looking for the example which will ask you value for the value of the polynomial. The example is given like this: p of x, that is P of polynomial of x is equal to 2x raised to 3 minus 3x plus 5, and what they said, put x is equal to 2 in the given polynomial. This is the given polynomial, we have to replace x by 2. So P of x, here we put P of 2 into 2x raised to 3, 2 into x is replaced by 2, 2 raised to 3 minus 3x, so 3 into 2, x is again replaced by 2 plus 5 as it is. Now further we can solve it and we can have the value. So see, x into 2 into, sorry, here is not cube, here is square. So 2 into 2 raised square of 2 is 4 minus 3 into 6, 2 is 6 plus 5. Okay, 2 is as it is, square of 2 is 4, so 2 into 4 minus 3 into 2 is 6, so minus 6 and plus 5 as it is. Further we will solve it. 2 into 4 is 8, 8 minus 6 plus 5, again here it come 2 4s are 8, minus 6 as it is and plus 5 as it is. So how it will get, 8 minus 6 plus 5, 8 minus 6 is 2 and 2 plus 5 is 7, so answer is 7. So P of 2 is equal to 7. P of 2 is equal to what? P of 2 is equal to 7. So answer is 7. Here we got the value P of 2 is equal to 7. Okay, so 7 is the value for the given polynomial P of x. Are you getting, friends, how to solve this? Okay, value of polynomial is what? In a polynomial, see, this is the given polynomial. If the variable is replaced by a value, okay, the variable is replaced by a number. We are replacing variable x by number 2, then we will get the value of polynomial. We have replaced x by 2, then we got value of the polynomial value of polynomial P of 2 is 7. So this is how we can find the value of polynomial. Very easy concept. You will get the example for 2 marks each on this value of polynomial. Do understand how to solve it. Nothing is more harder. Okay, nothing is hard and nothing is simple than that in this chapter. Okay, nothing is simple than that in this chapter. Value of a polynomial, they must give you any polynomial. Here is variable x, there must be variable anything y, a, b, c. We have to replace the number they have given. Here they have given, we have to replace x by 2, so we replace it. P into 2, here p into x, p into 2, 2 into x square, so 2 into 2 raised to 2, minus 3x, so 2 into 3 into 2 plus 5, 2 into square of 2 is 4, so 2 into 4 minus 3 into 2 is 6, so minus 6 and here plus 5. 2 into 4 is 8, minus 6 as it is and plus 5. 8 minus 6 is 2, 2 plus 5 is 7, so answer is 7. So the value of P of 2, value of polynomial P of 2 is 7. This is how you can find the values. In the homework, I will give you some examples and you have to find the values of the given polynomials as like this only. This is so simple. You will get nothing simple than that in your whole chapter polynomial. Try to solve more and more. In the practice set 3.3, the examples might be harder for you. You have to practice it morely, practice it oftenly. You have to practice each and every example for at least 5 to 6 times. If you will do that, you will be unstoppable and it will be very simple for you. You know, maths is not a hard subject. Just you have to practice. You have to practice the constantly. Then only it will be so easy for you. This is today we have learned about the value of polynomial. In our polynomial, if we replace any variable by number, then we will get the value of that polynomial. We have seen a tentative example over here. I have given you the example which will come in the exam. The question we will ask same like which will be asked in the exam, same like this. And I will provide you such examples for the homework only. So keep studying and keep watching the videos again and again. Thank you. Take care of yourself and study hard.